my lovelies. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. So today, you guys, we have a wonderful position from a company called Clerkie. So Clerkie is looking for a project manager, and this job is 100% remote, you guys. Full benefits, and it pays up to $150,000 per year. Also, with this job, there is an annual destination retreat. So every year, this company will take you on a company retreat. Most of the times, looking at their website, they go to Mexico. So you'll be going to Mexico for free, or whatever destination this company has for free for their annual retreat. So let's get right into this job. But before we do, you guys, you know I have to give out my shout outs. So I have a Daniel P. Daniel P used my resume kit, you guys. He used the resume kit and he got offered $152,000. Miss Karen G, she used the resume kit. She got offered $139,000, you guys. And Miss Suzanne W, $168,000, you guys. You guys, get the resume kit, because when I tell you my resume kit is absolutely fabulous, I absolutely mean it. It comes with five cover letters, five resumes, you guys, and soft skills, your action verbs, your situational phrases. It comes with that all within the kit. And you guys, if you need to book a resume rewrite session, book it. As soon as you book it, send me an email with your resume and whatever job that you are going out for, and we're going to write a resume together for you so you can get that job. And you guys, I want to tell you, I also put up my membership, my subscription. With this, you guys, we are going to be able to literally sit there every week and talk about real problems, real finances that I cannot talk about on the channel. You guys, go get the membership. Every week we meet and I'm going to bring a special guest. All right, you guys, so let's get right into this job. But before we do, we have one from January AI. They are looking for a social media community manager, you guys. And this job requires absolutely no skills. So if you guys, well, no education, no skill, well, I ain't gonna say no skills, but very little skills, very little experience. If you are able to post on social media, they will pay you up to $75,000 to post, you guys. Let's get into this position right now. All right, you guys, so this company is a healthcare company. This looks like a startup company, but what they are looking for, you guys, we are looking for a passionate and experienced social media whiz to take over our Instagram and Facebook account. This is a fully remote freelance position. Let's go into responsibilities. It says creating and executing a robust digital content calendar across all relevant platforms, factoring in web traffic and customer engagement, design, create, and manage social media campaigns and promotions that support audience growth, making sure they work with the company's goals, channels, and overall marketing strategy, creating engaging video content for all platforms with a goal to increase follower count and engagement, relay community feedback to relevant internal stakeholders, oversee day-to-day management of social posts, and ensure brand consistency and copy through tone, voice, and terminology. Create actionable plans to both grow and maintain followers through popular platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and eventually scale to LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. Basically, you guys would be posting content. If you are very good at sitting on social media and posting content, they want to hear from you, you guys. Take this opportunity to do this. Literally, you're getting paid to post. So this job makes 40,000 to $75,000 to grow their social media. You guys get on this job immediately. I want you to know there is actually, if you notice, there is actually no education requirement for this. This is another skills job. This is an easy skills job. Get the resume kit because the resume kit has all the skills, words, and phrases that you need so that you can apply for this job and so that you can land this job. I have not seen this job on any other platforms but mine. You guys have an upper hand and you have an opportunity to get this job for $75,000, you guys. Get the resume kit or book a resume rewrite session to get this job. Book now, get the resume kit. Also, with the membership, with the subscription, you guys, I will be bringing out a different guest, a financial guest, a real estate guest, and a stock market guest every single week because I do this channel. I want you to grow your wealth. Either when you get the job, I want you to be financially educated, you guys. And when I tell you that I'm going to be posting exclusive job content on my membership, my subscription site. We're going to have guest speakers and my first guest speaker, you guys, because I want to help you. My first guest speaker, you guys, is going to be my loan officer. I absolutely love him, you guys. And when I tell you he's the best of the best, he's going to be our very first speaker next Wednesday on the Zoom, on the subscription. So you guys go get the subscription. Okay, so let's move into the job of the big boy. Let's move into this clerky job and let's get down to it because this job, you guys, like I said, pays up to $150,000 and they fly the company out every single week. I have not seen this job on any other site, you guys. So when you apply, you might just be the first group of people that apply, you guys. So let's get into this job. Get the resume kit after you listen to this job so that you can apply within that 10 minutes, you guys. I want you to get this job. Okay, let's go to that job right now. Okay, so this is the Associate Product Manager. It says Clerkie is a dedicated financial coach that has helped 3 million Americans achieve their financial goals. Our platform couples access to dedicated human financial specialists with a series of innovative proprietary tools that automatically negotiate outstanding debt, including student loans, credit cards, medical debts, and help people on their journey to financial stability. Sounds like they are a startup company. This is web based, but do not let that deter you guys, okay? Still put in your resume for this. And if you want me to create you guys a resume for this, book a rewrite session. Any job that you guys want, I will help you write the resume for that job. Okay, let's go down to culture. It says, we are a group of hardworking professionals who are located across the U.S., 4 different time zones. We have a customer first mindset with an appetite for getting stuff done. We are looking for a superstar associate product managers to help us deliver life changing solutions to those who need them most. Okay, what we look for. You can pivot on the fly. Clerkie is constantly involved, and so do our priorities. What you worked on the last month may not be what you worked today, and that excites you. You are not looking for a boring job. You have a can do attitude. Our teams create high quality work on quick timelines. Owning a problem does not scare you, but rather empowers you to take 100% responsibility for achieving our missions. You got positive energy. You are optimistic about the future and determined to get there. You never tired of learning. You appreciate communication and look for feedback. You're both an active communicator, keyword, active communicator, and an eager listener. And like I said before, you guys, this is a skills-based job. This is a skills-based job. Get the resume kit, get the skills off the resume kit, put them on your resume, and apply for this job. Okay, but we're going to go to why work for us. Competitive salary plus equity. So it sounds like you're going to get some stock. It says top notch medical, dental, and vision, 401k retirement benefits, fully remote position, fantastic coworker, annual destination company retreat. They're flying you out. They're flying you out. It says you'll have the opportunity to see all aspects of the business operate and have the chance to be a part of a startup from the very beginning. Let's go down to job description. Clerkie is in build mode. Yes, this looks like a startup. And we are looking for a top-notch product manager to design, build, launch, scale services that will power our core financial products. You will be managing our newest product that is designed to service user and providers in a debt ecosystem. As an associate product manager, you'll be responsible for the vision and delivery of our solutions focused on debt repayment infrastructure. You will work with both external partners and internal team members to develop best-in-class solutions where you'll play the role of a trusted consultant and a consistent executor. Okay, so here's what you're going to be doing. And like I said, this is a skills-based job. So they're telling you what they need from you. It says collaborate with internal parties and external stakeholders to establish product requirements and identify priorities. Partner closely with our design team to bring product vision to life from wireframing to prototyping to production. Establish product priorities, shepherd weekly sprints, and track progress of new and existing initiatives. Communicate and deliver roadmap and feature highlights to internal and external stakeholders. Identify opportunities to increase market share and drive revenue through product improvements. Monitor and measure the impact of product releases and achievements. So basically, they're saying, hey, if we give you guys a product, we want to see you scale this product. Help our company to scale this product. This says product management, but you're going to be the supervisor. You're going to be the supervisor at this job. Okay, so let's go into about you. It says 2 years at a top tier consulting company or 2 years of product management experience. So it says and or. So if you don't have the experience at a top tier consulting company, at least 2 years of product management. But truth be told, it could be any type of management. If you've had any type of management, using the keywords and phrases kit, you can make this happen. Okay, engineering experience is preferred but not required. SaaS experience preferred but not required. Proven track record, experience working cross-functionally with external parties, top tier written and verbal skills, self-motivated and organized, creative thinker. All skills, you guys. All of the skills that are included in the resume kit. And it literally takes you 10 minutes to apply for this job using the resume kit with the keywords and phrases. This is it. And it says other criteria: passion for Clerkie's mission, be motivated, extreme focus, committed to being a part of something bigger than yourself, and then excitement for being a part of a small team. You guys, get the resume kit and apply for this job today.